Oh yeah, yeah. Rise up now. No change can hold me. Break out. Na 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 na. Oh yeah 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 yeah. Oh, I was walking through the valley in the pouring rain, carrying yesterday with a pocket full of pain. Then I heard a whisper blowing in the breeze. Lift your head up high and believe. The walls around me started falling down. Hope came alive without a sound. Every sunrise paints a brand new way. I'm stepping into brighter days. No more hiding, no more fear. The light inside is shining clear. Every heartbeat leads me on, a stronger soul where I belong. Break out, let your spirit fly. Touch the stars across the sky. Leave the darkness far behind. Freedom starts within your mind. Break out, sing a brand new song. Every heart can still grow strong. Love will guide us all the way to a brighter, better day. Oh, every mountain has another side. Every river finds the ocean wide. Keep your faith like a burning flame. Tomorrow never stays the same. Hand in hand we'll stand as one. Together we are never done. Through the storm we'll find the light, turning every wrong to right. No chains, no walls, no fear today. Hope is leading every step we take. With kindness growing everywhere, we build a future bright and fair. Break out, let your spirit fly. Touch the stars across the sky. Leave the darkness far behind. Freedom starts within your mind. Break out, sing a brand new song. Every heart can still grow strong. Love will guide us all the way to a brighter, better day. Break out, keep the fire burning bright. Break out, walking into morning light. Break out, every dream can find its way. One love, one heart, a brighter day. Yeah, 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 yeah. Whoa, gather round, let the fire glow. Love is the seed we sow. Oh yeah. Morning breaks with a brand new day. Friends and family find their way. Different journeys, different dreams, together stronger than it seems. A helping hand, a warm embrace, a little kindness goes a long way. Every smile can light the night, turning darkness into light. Stand together through the rain, share the joy and share the pain. Side by side we'll always be, growing like a mighty tree. Fellowship, let our voices rise. Hope is shining in our eyes, heart to heart and hand in hand. Love will heal this weary land. Fellowship forever strong, every soul can sing along. One family beneath the sun, many arms, but we are one, 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 one. Oh, when the road is steep and long, a friend can help you carry on. Every burden feels more light when shared beneath the morning light. Open doors and open minds, leave no lonely heart behind. Peace begins with simple deeds, growing from our words and seeds. Raise your voices to the sky, let no dream be left to die. Hope will bloom where love is found, spreading joy from town to town. Fellowship, let our voices rise. Hope is shining in our eyes, heart to heart and hand in hand. Love will heal this weary land. Fellowship forever strong, every soul can sing along. One family beneath the sun, many hearts, but we are one, 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 one. Oh, keep the spirit bright, guiding us through every night. Fellowship will never fade, built on every choice we've made. One love, one hope, one fellowship, one love. Yeah, 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 yeah. When the morning meets the sea, a gentle melody finds me. Every note begins to rise, like the sun across the skies. Simple words with hearts so strong. Hope is living in his songs. Every chorus, every rhyme, stands the test of changing time. When the world feels far away, music always knows the way. Through the night until the dawn, the rhythm carries on. These songs keep the fire burning. Every page is always turning, filled with peace and harmony, flowing like the endless sea. His songs lift every soul, helping broken hearts feel whole. One love echoes loud and strong. Hope is living in his songs. Voices gather hand in hand, sharing dreams across the land. Every beat can heal a heart, bringing strangers close to start. Through the laughter, through the tears, music travels through the years. Every listener belongs, united by these simple songs. No matter where the road may bend, kindness always finds a friend. Every melody reminds, love can brighten every mind. Raise your voice and sing along. Let the rhythm make us strong. His songs keep the fire burning. Every sunrise brings new learning. Peace and hope are never gone. They keep shining on and on. His songs fill the air with light, turning darkness into bright. One heart, one dream, one voice belongs. Together we'll keep singing his songs. Oh, sing together, yeah, yeah. Now and forever, one love, one heart, one sound. Let the reggae joy go round. Na 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 na. Yeah. I see them na 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 na. Oh na 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 na. Yeah. I see the sunrise, plain to see, a brand new day calling you and me. Every breeze carries a melody, whispering hope for all to see. Every road has a story to tell, break of dawn. Every mountain, every tree holds a little mystery. Every smile can light the way, turning darkness into day. If we stand as one today, hope will never fade away. Side by side we'll always show the greatest strength is letting love grow. No matter where this journey leads, love is planted through our deeds. One small spark can light the night, filling every heart with light. I want to know where kindness grows, where every river softly flows. I want to know what love can do when hearts are honest, strong and true. I want to know if dreams can fly like birds that dance across the sky. Together we'll keep moving on, singing until the break of dawn. Na 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 na. I want to know we'll keep the love alive. Yeah. Oh, lift your eyes, feel the breeze. No, 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 no. Oh, looking at the mountains in the morning light, standing there so peaceful, reaching to the sky. They have seen the seasons, they have watched the years, teaching every traveler to let go of fear. Every river flowing starts from somewhere high. Every eagle soaring first believed it could fly. Nature keeps reminding me with every rising dawn. Even after darkness, hope keeps carrying on. Hear the whispering wind, peace begins within. Every step we climb, one day at a time. Looking at the mountains, I can feel my spirit rise. Every peak reminds me there's a blessing in the skies. Looking at the mountains, I can see tomorrow clear. With Lord beside my journey, there's no room for fear. The valley has its stories, the hillside has its song. Every winding pathway has been there all along. The tallest trees are rooted deep beneath the ground. Strength is often growing where it's rarely found. Clouds may hide the summit for a little while, but the sun keeps waiting. like morning light, shining through the darkest night. Hope is stronger when we trust, walking forward with more justice. More justice, more unity, building hope for every family. More justice, let freedom grow, plant the seeds that love will sow. One heart, one voice, one dream for all. Together we stand, together we call. More justice, let the whole world see. Peace begins with you and me. No matter where the journey leads, love is found in simple deeds. Every smile can heal a pain, like gentle sunshine after rain. Raise your head and don't look back. Keep your feet upon the track. With compassion as our guide, we'll cross every changing tide. Oh, let the truth remain, healing hearts and easing pain. Oh, let the children sing. Hope is such a precious thing. More justice, more unity, building hope for every family. More justice, let freedom grow, plant the seeds that love will sow. One heart, one voice, one dream for all. Together we stand, together we call. More justice, let the whole world see. Peace begins with you and me. Hey! Keep the fire burning bright. Choose what's good, defend what's right. With every step and every choice, more justice starts with every voice. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh na 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 na. Oh yeah, yeah. The morning sun is breaking through, painting skies with shades of blue. Yesterday is far behind, today brings peace of mind. Every step I take with grace, hope is shining on my face. I believe the tide can turn, every heart deserves to learn. Open up, don't be afraid, new beginnings can be made. Love is stronger than regret, the brightest days are coming here. Give me one last chance to show how much brighter life can grow. Hand in hand we'll find the way, building dreams from day to day. One last chance is all we need, planting every hopeful seed. With a heart that's true and strong, we'll keep singing this sweet song. Every mountain has a view, every sky becomes brand new. Time can heal what once was torn, every sunrise brings rebirth. With forgiveness in our eyes, every dream can still arise. Love can light the darkest road, sharing every stand together through it all. Every ending hides a start. Keep the music in your heart. Give me one last chance today. We'll chase every cloud away. Every smile becomes a flame. Nothing ever stays the same. One last chance, let's make it right. Walking proudly toward the light. One love guiding every mile. We'll keep dancing all the while. Walks with the sunrise shining in her eyes, carrying hope beneath the endless skies. Every little smile is a healing song, teaching every heart where love belongs. She plants good seeds in the morning light, turning every struggle into something bright. With gentle hands and a fearless soul, she reminds the world that love makes us whole. Oh, roots woman, don't lose your way. Your light keeps rising every day. Stand so tall like the ancient tree, growing strong in harmony. Roots woman, queen of the earth and the morning sun. Every child hears the songs you sing, simple words with a joyful ring. You lift up dreams when the days are gray, showing kindness in your own sweet way. Like the rivers flow into the sea, you remind us all to live free. One love growing hand in hand, building tomorrow across the land. Let the drums beat slow tonight, fill the air with truth and light. Raise your voice, let the good vibes run. Together we shine beneath one sun. Roots woman, keeper of hope till the day is done. Oh, night feels long, but I know it's not forever. Stormy skies can't hide the sunny weather. Every little step brings me closer to the light. I'm holding on with all my might. I've been waiting with a hopeful soul. Keeping faith has been my goal. Every heartbeat whispers to my mind, better days are close behind. Don't give up when the road gets rough. Love and hope are more than enough. Keep your eyes upon the dawn. A brand new day is coming on. Soon forward, better times will come, like the beating of a reggae drum. Soon forward, keep your spirit strong. Tomorrow's where we all belong. Soon forward, lift your voice and sing. Hope can change everything. Keep believing from the very start. Carry love inside your heart. Every river finds its way to sea, just as life will set us free. Every mountain has another side, where brighter dreams reside. The seeds we plant with patient hands will bloom across the promised lands. One good deed can light the way for another hopeful day. Hold your head up to the sky. Don't be afraid to try. Every sunset makes room for dawn. Life keeps moving on. Together we can rise above, building every dream with love. One step closer every day. We'll surely find our way. Soon forward, better times will come, like the beating of a reggae drum. Soon forward, never lose your flame. Tomorrow won't be the same. Soon forward, let your spirit soar. There's so much waiting at your door. With faith, hope, and love to guide, the brightest days are just outside. Morning sun upon the city, golden light across the land. People coming from the townships, flags and colors in their hands. From Johannesburg to Durban, from Cape Town to Limpopo, every voice becomes a rhythm. Let the joyful spirit flow. When the drum begins to call, we stand together, one and all. Feel the thunder, hear the sound. Celebration all around. Vuvuzela, blow it loud. Let it rise above the crowd. Vuvuzela, let it sing. Feel the joy that music brings. Oh, Mandela's rainbow nation, dance as one in celebration. Vuvuzela, blow it strong, Africa. This is our song. Oh, da 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 da. Every street is filled with laughter. Every heartbeat keeps the time. Young and old are dancing proudly, moving underneath the sunshine. Different languages and cultures, many stories, many names, but the rhythm brings us closer, and our hope remains the same. When the bass begins to roll, feel the music in your soul. Lift your hands and turn around.